Good morning, traders. This is Kevin Craney with RJO Futures with your morning interest rate update. Futures on interest rates trading a little bit lower here on the morning, and what we're really looking at on the day is we have a 2-year note auction coming out, so we're dealing with a little bit of supply here on the day. And the other thing that's a hindrance really on this 2-year note auction is also we have Operation Twist that's in full effect today. The Fed will be selling shorter dated bills and notes and going out to the longer end of the curve, particularly out to those 2020 to 2022 10-year type of bonds, and buying those as well. So that the 2-year note auction, along with the Operation Twist that's going on, puts a little bit of pressure on the bonds, and henceforth puts a little bit of pressure on interest rate futures as well. Yesterday we saw interest rate futures tick a little bit higher. Again, as I said in yesterday evening's commentary, we're long on hope but short on expectations out of this EU summit on Thursday and Friday, and that's what really made things tick a little bit higher there toward the end or toward the day yesterday. Today, we really don't have a lot of news flow that can make us trade through the range on interest rates. When we look at in Europe again today, we did have a Spanish bond auction of bills that went off successfully, albeit at higher yields, and likewise an auction of Italian notes as well that went off a little higher than expected. So when we look at 10-year Treasury yields really over in the European countries, particularly Italy and Spain, Italy well over 600 basis points at this point, and Spain reaching about 670. So again, we see continued concerns there, which shows really more flight to quality to the U.S. dollar. We see the euro trading lower against the dollar here again today, below that 125 mark. So people pushing back into the dollar and again into U.S. Treasuries. So there is still some upside potential, even though we see it in a very tight trading range here as we move into that European summit through the end of the week. Please give me a call, 888-596-5817, and we can discuss this and other interest rate opportunities, other commodity opportunities as well. Please remember that commodity futures trading is not for everyone. It involves a high degree of risk. Again, please give me a call, 888-596-5817.